Hey, what's going on guys, JAMIExELITE here, and in today's video I'll show you guys a camo glitch you can do on Classified, the zombie map. So before I do get today's video started, please drop a like, subscribe and turn your notification on for more daily Call of Duty Black Ops 4 glitches. Also guys, I've now picked a Call of Duty COD point winner. I'll be giving away COD points at the end of each and every month. So I've now picked a winner on my channel. So his name will be on the screen right now. So that's you. Please message me on YouTube or my social media so I can send you the gift card or the PSN card that can buy you them COD points on your PlayStation, your Xbox or even your PC. It could be any console. So guys, if you do want to enter in my next COD point, all you got to do is like, subscribe and turn your notification on. I'll be announcing the next winners at the end of this month. So guys, all you want to do is come on Classified underneath the ground where I do. Make sure you got a few thousand points. I'll definitely recommend buying a gun off the wall or your mission box. It doesn't matter guys, but make sure you've got a gun and a pistol in your hand, or it could be two weapons, it doesn't matter. So when you've got the two weapons in your hand guys, make sure before you do pick and before you do load up Classified, make sure your DG5s attached to your created class. When you've got that and you've got two weapons on Classified online, all you guys want to do is go into the room like I do next to the bow and knife, and you want to get the bow and knife off the wall. Make sure you got the bow and knife, because I'll show you guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got every single camo on the bow and knife in one game, because this is how I've done the glitch. So it is a really wicked glitch. Then all you guys want to do is, when you got the bow knife and you got your max DG5s, you want to go in the corner of this metal boxes and you want to jump up, use your DG5s, and you land on this high barrier on Classified. And from there guys, you can knife every zombie that comes to you. I was getting camos. I've got almost every single camo on the bow knife by doing this glitch, but I obviously got bored of doing it, so I couldn't be arsed anymore, so I did end the game. Well, you do see a 50-minute footage of me doing this glitch guys. I'm ranking up and getting almost every single camo on the bow knife. I could have got every single camo, but I couldn't be asked to do it, so I actually ended the game because I had to make more videos for you guys, so I didn't have the time to keep knifing. But if you guys got the time to do this glitch, it does work on every single gun as well, but I would definitely recommend doing it bow knife, because obviously if you're trying to do it with a weapon, then you got to buy ammo, you got to get more ammo. And stuff like that. So if you've got a bow knife, it's an easy way to get the camos for the bow knife, as it is limited, and you keep knifing the zombies, and when you've got 1,000 zombie kills with the bow knife, you'll get every single camo with the knife. So it's a great way to rank up really fast and to get the camos, because it does work on every single weapon, not just bow knife, but I would recommend doing it with bow knife, because as well, like I said before, it is limited and you can get every single camo on the bow knife in one game. If you guys can sit there for a few hours, then yeah, you can get it in one game. So anyway guys, I'm going to stop talking now. I'm going to play the full footage of the 15-minute. Well, I'm going to fast forward a bit with a few songs over it, but I'm showing you guys me doing this glitch for 54 minutes. And I ended the game because I had to make more videos for you guys, so I didn't have enough time to get every single camo on the bow knife, but I could have easily got every camo on that bow knife. So you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you in my next one. Peace out.
our time together. When the night is over, my life is over. 'Cause I start thinking again about our time together. When the night is over, my life is over. 'Cause I start thinking again about our time together. When the night is over,